In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a drawing from inches to millimeters in AutoCAD the correct way. Start by checking your current measurements using the dist command so you know the existing size of the drawing. Once confirmed, type units into the command line and press enter to open the drawing units dialog box. Here, change the unit type to decimal if needed, then locate the insertion scale setting and switch it from inches to millimeters. After clicking OK, AutoCAD will now interpret measurements using millimeters instead of inches. However, changing the units alone does not automatically resize the geometry. To properly convert the drawing dimensions, you'll also need to scale the objects using the scale command with the correct conversion factor. This step ensures the drawing reflects accurate real-world millimeter measurements. Understanding the difference between changing units and scaling geometry is extremely important for precise drafting and printing. Thanks for watching and happy designing with AutoCAD.